playing with each other. Yeah, it scratches his back. It's the only way you could scratch your leg, isn't it? Really? Don't. So they use the fur on these to make clothes with. See, they can see where they've been shaving all the fur off. You know? Like wool, alpaca wool. See, here the big shave of all the shit.
There's a queen bee, look.
Honey, this bee's story is golden. Yeah, that's real. So
Where's the queen bee?
how much for the bees?
$7
$30 for a queen bee. And then you buy
70,000.
70,000 bees or something.
Oh.
Yeah. Pretty cool.
A white chicken. You can give them lettuce, Sashi. Look. Just put your arm like that. She will come to you.
They've already packed it.
How about this? That one look promising. Look.
Do the joke. Why did the chicken cross the road?
What? Why the chicken
Cross the road.
cross the road?
They're on Rottnest Islands and some islands in Australia, but I'm not sure whether particular to or peculiar to, I should say. But there's a quokka.
There's two feathers in there.
I don't know where the other ones are. They're just there. Did you see that lizard? Look at that. Oh, boy, you jump. See him jump. Wow. Find him his own business. Yeah.
Is it Australian kangaroo?
What? Is
No,
that
it's a fly.
Oh, is it? Or
It's
he's
going to
dozing
his,
off.
yeah.
He's looking for his mummy, look. Okay, let's see what else is here. This is like an old mining shaft. Let me see. Oh, wow, this is amazing. It's an emu, or is it an ostrich? What do you think of an emu or an ostrich? He's happy.
Here you go.
It's playing down.
Oh, look at them, all the kids playing. Look, can you see them over there? See the kids all playing together? Always. Oh, look at him, here he comes. He's going to come up and say hello, look. Oh, what a life. Meerkats.
I never feel you, man, Papa.
Oh, your meerkat stamps, huh? You got both of them?
I was I'm done
Right, someone else take over. It's amazing how they just...
Oh yeah,
They got any babies in there? They're all playing together. Like. That's what they do all day. So that's a gorilla. That's a monkey. In there, look. That's why we all look the same. See the water in his trunk? Look, he's blowing bubbles. Look how they walk, look. Look at that. Look at the baby. I think the baby's doing a wee. Yeah, he's doing a big wee. See, he's doing a wee. See? Oh, he's doing a big wee. He's just drunk a whole lot of water, that's why.
Have poop too?
He did a poo as well. He's done a wee and a poo. Look at the brush things as they scratch themselves on their backs with. See that? Isn't that beautiful? And when they swim in the water, that must be spectacular when you see them swimming around. That must be amazing.
No.
I think it's time for them to eat. See, they're following them. Look how slow they walk. Look. They're the most amazing animals, elephants. Okay.